I was gonna wear my white full sleeve, but then I was like, wait, it's gonna be too cold.
Bro, I'm literally gonna be all black. Look, I'm wearing black jeans today.
Oh,
Okay, let's actually. Okay, guys, now we're walking to 4th Street. But I don't know if I'll make it if it starts raining. Like,
yeah.
get out.
Oh, it's getting really cool now.
We're right across the street from Rosa Parks. Oh. I'm literally zipped up in my puffer jacket, and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, and I'm wearing pants.
But you're cold. You're cold, right? Like, look at me, bro. This thing's got holes.
Well, I don't know why you wore that then. What?
I didn't think it was gonna be this
cold. Guys, we're probably gonna go get some noodles.
I'm not really familiar with 4th Street, so.
I am, because it's like 8 blocks from my house. Well, it's actually 1, 2, 3, wait, 10 minus, wait, if you go from 10 to 4, that's 6, right?
Yes.
Okay,
bro.
6. It's like 6 blocks.
Bro doesn't know math. I'm just kidding.
Get out. Bro, you can't even be talking, bro. You're the
Like
one.
you, no, but
You're
like,
the one.
like actually, like people who do like math, like they're like pros at doing like algebra and whatever. Like they don't even know the basis of math.
No, I know. They're, like, girl, this one
Like-
like 8 plus 2. Bro, Mr. Jacobs. He was like, guys, what's 14 plus 4? I was like, boy, aren't we literally a math teacher?
Yeah. Like,
Okay, we also just did this MLK Bake-Off contest. It was actually so bust. These like pineapple cupcakes in this like snickerdoodle.
wait, didn't Sarah make that?
Sarah, yeah. Shout out to Sarah, because she actually ate that so hard. That was really bust. That was really good. They were like pineapple cupcakes, and there was also this like snickerdoodle cream cheese thing.
So
I don't
good.
know, but it was actually
7th grade like
delicious.
carried, bro.
7th grade carry. They had like 16 treats.
But like
Something like
the
that.
other ones.
Oh, 8th grade had like 2 treats, and 6th grade had like 6, which was okay. Yeah, I really thought 6th grade was gonna eat with that one, but did they? No.
No, like I feel like 6th graders would be more like enthusiastic about it. Hey guys.
We made it to 4th Street.
Yeah, and yeah, it's warmer now.
Yeah, it actually like started raining while we were walking, and it actually got scared.
Yeah, we saw these creepy people, but that's
Oh,
okay.
these two were like yelling at us. I'm like, hello. Thank God we crossed the street so we didn't get like chased.
And they're like, keep walking.
Yeah, they're like, what are you looking at? We're like, shut up.
We're going to Sephora now.
Yep.
See you later. Guys, we made it into Sephora. Now we're just looking at things. Oh my god, Dior?
Girl, you know it's like
Yeah, but Jisoo's on this, bro. I love Jisoo.
okay, I'm sorry, I don't understand it. Like, okay, like I love
It's so cute.
I guess Dior is good, but like $40 like for this like thing, I don't understand.
I just like the packaging.
No, I got you. Like Elf made it better. Oh,
No, like I
When
like
I
the
say
symbols, like the blush. Like the symbols are so cute. Ew, that's nasty looking. Like I don't like that
I
color.
just like dug my nail in it by accident. Ew.
NARS. Wait, my mom has this. But it's like hella old.
NARS after okay, it's like $32.
I need a contour, like.
ASMR.
Oh dear.
No, I have to put it.
Hey guys, so I decided to get a lip liner
She got lip liner.
from
She got
Rare Beauty.
this one.
It's really
Rare
pretty.
Beauty in the shape. It's on her lips right now. It's so cute.
Yeah.
It's so baddie. It's so baddie for a baddie.
And it's like, it's not expensive.
Yeah.
Like it's like a good price. It's a reasonable
It was like
price.
$16, which is actually like.
It's reasonable.
Also, look at this. Look at this. This is the.
Wait, I've seen people
Like,
use
look at
this.
this,
It's so
watch.
nice.
Watch.
Ooh. Wait,
You
that
see,
looks
that's
so good.
pretty. But it's also
It's shiny.
$42. Before.
I think it's because of the packaging.
Out.
That was caught on video. So,
There's no stopper. Guys, there's no stopper.
yeah.
Should I
It's
try?
nasty.
Stop.
Stop. I thought you were actually going to put it on.
Just kidding.
Okay guys, so we just finished.
Finished at Sephora. We didn't get anything else because like
We just
that
got
place is expensive.
the lip liner.
But we're gonna go get cinnamon rolls and then
And then we're gonna head to Target, probably, right?
what deep? I'm kind of scared to walk back now.
Oh, those people.
That were like yelling at us.
I'm getting self-conscious right now.
I thought they were like just normal day people. But
No, I thought the lady was, but
no, I know.
the guy looked.
They were like, "What?" They were like screaming at us. I was like, girl, get out. It was kind of scary.
How am I still going? Am I still recording? We're at We're sharing it. We're split in half. No one's gonna hear you.
Cheers. Oh wait. Cheers.
You really had to ask me to get water. I thought you were the extroverted one. I'm on a camel zip up. Iced tea lemonade.
Now there's like camo sweats, camo hoodies, camo shortings, camo jeans. Oh wait, they're already there.
I want a camel hat from Stussy. Or Stussy. I don't know what's called.
Oh hell!
Why'd you do that? You could have eaten all those.
I was trying to like get it prepared and then it fell off the plate.
No, you went like this.
No,
That's what you did. You
I feel
went
like really short, but I'm actually taller than her.
because I have a bigger head.
We'll just roasted herself. Hey guys. Okay, thanks. So stop acting nonchalant. Oh.
Okay.
So keep really speeding that. Okay, guys. Also, the people were gone, so we're good.
Yeah,
Like,
those scary people.
There was a white van, and we thought they were gonna like kidnap. But it's okay, cause guess who didn't get kidnapped? Oh yeah, they still got the Rare Beauty lip liner.
It was
In the
60.
shade. What shade was it?
I don't know. Some red color.
Like-
Hold this. Where is it? Bro, are you kidding me? You took it from me.
No, I did. I swear. Guys, I can't find the lip liner. I swear to God, it's just funny because I knew it wasn't there, but I didn't tell you.
Oh my gosh.
Stop!
You have it. You have it.
Look, guys, everyone, look.
She literally has it, bro. You actually freaked me out.
I'm sorry. God,
That's not. Yeah, I'm not gonna be pranking Daphne.
We have to think of pranks for my sister. Hold up. It's gonna say devoted.
I honestly like the packaging from Rare Beauty.
Yes. I can't believe.
Can you hold this, please?
Hold what? Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, we have to think of pranks for my sister and dad. Because I always end up pranking them. Like last year, I put red dye on my sister. Oh wait, no, I didn't. I wasn't allowed to. I was gonna put red or blue dye on my sister's toothbrush. So when she went and brushed her teeth, her teeth were dyed
Red?
But we weren't allowed to. I wasn't allowed to do that. So what should I do? We gotta think of pranks. Also, I'm probably gonna go get like a hot Cheetos bag and eat the whole thing again. Yoinks!
I think we went this way from when we went to the Japanese tea garden. Yeah. We went this way.
You guys walked?
No, when we went on the bus, we went through this way. Or this way.
And go.
Crossing the street, guys.
Okay, but can we?
Yeah, so I just came back from Daphne's house, and for now I'm kind of just waiting for time to go by because I do need to go to tutoring later on. But yeah, it is currently 3:47. But yeah. And yeah, so I'm just kind of just waiting because I I don't have anything to do. And my dad and sister went to go talk with someone. Like, whoa. But yeah. Anyway, guys, tomorrow I'm pretty sure we're going to LA. If I'm not wrong. And we might go to Universal Studios. I think we're going to Universal Studios. But yeah, we talked about this, but now my dad doesn't want to go there anymore. So we'll just see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, see you guys later.